What's up, everybody? My name is Charlotte Josh from my school. I'm going to do a Sprite challenge without burping. Let's do it. I can feel it. I've been practicing. No, 10 seconds. Oh, I feel like I'm puke. Alright, well, I got it all down. That actually was Sprite. I'm not really give me 1 second. I just don't drink out of the bottle. I just put it inside that bottle before I do this. So, yeah. Alright. Thank you. Yo, Josh, out.